Yo, what's going on, man? What's going on, guys? We're back here as my desk imploded, man. My desk imploded. You guys have no idea how helpless I just was. I was just sitting at my desk.
So a couple.
Whoa! I was just sitting at my desk, and all of a sudden, I was just talking to you guys. I was talking about the resistance, right? I still have the damn circle. I still have the damn circle here, man. I was just sitting here at my desk, explaining the resistance to you guys, as Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a resistance on it right now. And instantly, all of a sudden, my monitors start coming at me going like this, right? And it's just me. I'm just looking at my monitor just going, oh, shit.
Bruh.
I'm looking at my monitors like, what the hell is going on, man? And I was so helpless because I was still streaming. I had to somehow end the stream while holding them up. And I was like, Maya, help. The monitor just falling on me. Like, they lost support. Yes, they lost support. They are worse than the Cheeto, man. They're worse than the Cheeto. IKEA desk, it probably is. I don't know if this actually is. It is. Yes, it is IKEA desk. Confirmed. It is an IKEA desk. It is confirmed, man. It definitely is. Gave me time to eat my chicken pot pie. There you go, Josh. There you go. Anyways, let's have a sip of water, man. Holy shit. You guys are funny in the Discord, by the way. So you guys are like, something tells me Jordan's not going to be able to put the desk back together. You know what, guys? You know what, you trolls?
I put together the desk myself, you idiots. I'm a handyman. I can do handyman stuff, all right? I can put a desk together. Who do you think I am? Who do you think I am, Bob? Oh, shit. I am Bob. Oh, well, at least the market's pumping, That's one good thing.
All right. Who do you think I am, man? Holy moly. Anyways, let's jump back in the chart. So what were we talking about before I left? Before I left and before the desk absolutely lost support and decided to go to the 1.618 on my head. Before that happened, okay, we were talking about this resistance point, right? Where we're kind of struggling with at the moment and why this 19.5 to 19.7 level is going to be a tough Cheeto to crack. This is the new Cheeto, guys. We need to break this resistance, all right? Why is it so big for at least the short-term charts? Well, like we said, we have support, we got resistance, and now we're flipping into resistance again, all right? The same point coming down here on the downside, looking over to the right here, we got this downtrend of resistance coming like this, right? Spanning all the way back up from this move that we had in August, all the way back down, right? 1 move, 2 moves, 3 moves, 4 moves, coming back down like this. This is going to be a tough cookie to crack, man. And I'm excited for the move up right now. I am excited that Bitcoin is getting this move up. I really am. And you guys know me. I like to troll. Who sold right here, man? Who sold the wick? Let me know who sold the wick, man. Who sold the wick? Because I know a lot of you guys like to short support and sell support. Who shorted the wick? I know one of you guys in the chat shorted the wick. Let me know who did. I know it was one of you. Admit it. I know one of you guys will admit it. I know all you guys will come in here and say, where's my pencil neck here? All you guys will say, Jordan, none of us sold the wick. We're not that dumb. We're not that dumb. Right? But I know some of you assholes did, okay? But I want to get excited for this move up, but we need to see Bitcoin crack this before I really get too excited where I'm just like, holy moly, let's freaking go. We're going to the upside. Why am I a little bit shady? Because we all have Bart Simpson PTSD. What's the Bart Simpson PTSD? Well, we've been in this bear market. We've seen Bart Simpson after Bart Simpson after Bart Simpson. By the way, I think I see him right now. Do I see Bart right now? Do I see him? Do I see him over here? Bart? Oh, he's not here yet. He's not here yet, guys. He's not here yet. Wait. Oh, shit. Here he is. Hey, guys. I don't know if I'm going to make an appearance yet, but if I do, I will definitely be back, okay? I will definitely be back if we see the Bart Simpson pattern back to the downside, all right? I will definitely see you. He'll be back. He'll be back if he wants to play out. But we all have the Bart Simpson PTSD, right? We go to the hourly chart. Bitcoin sort of struggling with resistance when it got a massive straight up move, and now it's struggling around resistance, just going sideways. Okay? And I know a lot of you guys look at this chart and say, okay, Jordan, is this just an M formation that's forming here at resistance? It very well could be. And I know a lot of you guys will also say, but Jordan, what about this vector candle back down here? Are we going to have to come back down and take that at some point? Yes, and that's why I am tempering my expectations for Bitcoin to move. Doesn't mean that I didn't buy. I bought near on the dump today. Let's friggin' go. I am officially a nearer, right? Before I was a near. Now I'm a nearer. And at some point, I will be the nearest. No, I probably won't. Some of you guys probably have me beat already. I know Bathwater over there is a near whale, okay? One day, I will be a near whale. But I now consider myself a nearer because of the dump that we had today, if you know what I'm saying. But are we going to be at resistance? Okay, and are we going to get that Bart Simpson back down? I would say stress caution because just like we always say, right? Look for supports to long. When you come up to resistance, be cautious, okay? You got to be cautious here. Don't be FOMOing in. I don't care if you sold the bottom today. I don't care if you did. Be careful if you're going to FOMO back in. Because what will happen, you'll sell the bottom, price will go back up to resistance, you'll FOMO back in, and prices will dump again. You know what I'm saying? Did I fix the desk? No, basically, here's what I did. You guys want to know what I did for the desk? It's very, very smart. Java actually helped me. Java was like this, guys. Jordan, are you okay? Are you okay? Here, let me help you move the desk. Here. I'm really fat, so I'm really strong too. I can help you move. I know you're not strong, Jordan, so let me move it for you. Here you go. There you go. Here you go, Jordan. Okay, thank you. Yes, Jordan, since I helped you, can I get $5 for Bybit? You know, I want to short a little more. What do you mean, no? You're so mean. I helped you. I helped you move your desk. No, what I basically did is I just flipped it. I took the desk and I flipped it and I put everything attached to the other side. Genius, right? Genius. Genius is in the house. All right? It's absolutely crazy. The meme is strong in this one. The meme is strong, man. The meme is really, really strong, if you know what I mean. All right? All right. Jumping back over to the next chart. Let's continue on. So we talked about how we have to be cautious in this range, and we can't get too excited yet. But here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. All right? Bitcoin had that spike down to 18,221 on the news on the CPI today. Okay? But here's the deal for BTC. We don't really have a lot of news up until the FOMC. Oh, we got some earnings, but up until the FOMC that's coming out on November 1st, right? We know we have the FOMC meeting coming up on November 1st. That gives us pretty much 3 weeks as the markets kind of consume the data that we got this week. That gives us like 3 weeks to sort of settle in. Now, not the issue with that. What we're kind of looking at as well is we got 3 weeks, but everyone kind of already expecting that 75 basis point rate hike. So here's the deal. Here's the deal. We all expect the FOMC meeting to always be a big deal, but if we're going into that with the expectation that we're going to see the 75 basis points, has the market already consumed us having that 75 basis point rate hike? Because we've already been talking about that for 2 months. Everyone expects 75 in November, 75 in December. Listen, I'm not a macroeconomist. I'm not going to sit here and act like I do. But I know that everyone's been already talking about the 75 for November and the 75 for December. So here's what we need to watch. We got 3 weeks until that date, man. 3 weeks until that date. Okay? What can we do in that time frame? Well, here's sort of the resistance that everyone's watching right now. All right? This is the resistance that everyone's watching right now. This big, decent... Oh, Lord, Jabba, not again, bro! Wait, that's not Jabba. Who is that? Move, bitches! Move, bitches! You trying to arrest me? Were you mad that I banged your mom last night, you stupid cop? Get off my tail. You're not going to catch Becker. My pecker's bigger than your freaking Black & Decker that you're smoking right now in that car, all right? Oh my God, man. Get off my tail, bro. Get off my tail. Listen, if you keep following me, I'm going to start banging your sister too. All right? Get off my tail. Don't be mad that you panic sold the bottom today. Don't be mad you panic sold 18,100. Okay? And I bought. Don't be mad. Don't be mad, you idiot. Ah, man, get off my freaking tail, bro. Becker's going to go nuts. Death penalty for Becker. All right, but here's the deal. Here's the resistance everyone's sort of getting into, guys. All right? I love Becker's Pecker, man. Anyways, we got this, obviously, this big downtrend that everyone and their mother is watching, okay? Everyone and their mother is peeping this resistance, okay? They're peeping it with the microscope and all this stuff, okay? Word lyrist. Thank you with the Black & Decker, man. That is a cheap cigarette brand, the Black & Decker. I used to smoke the Black & Deckers when I was in college because why? I was a broke college kid, and you know when I drank, only when I drank, I wanted to smoke a cigarette. Why? I don't know. You know, you guys have probably been there too. It's sort of a social thing. I don't know. But here's the deal, man. And just like, because now we find ourselves back in this stupid range that we've been in, okay? So we had a nice volatility today, but all we really ended up being is right back where we started. We're at 19,400, right? The good thing is that if we close the daily candle that we're going to close today, we are painting a nice bullish hammer candle here. But I stress caution again, because we've seen that before for Bitcoin, right? When was the last time we saw this? We actually got one right here where we actually did a similar move. And this is why I'm stressing caution here. Listen, I want Bitcoin to go to the upside here, but I also don't want you guys to get over exuberant just yet. Okay? If it happens, awesome. If you bought today, awesome. I did too. I want it to go to the upside, but I stress caution here because we have seen a candle like this before, right? Where this bullish hammer candle, we've seen the same thing pop up right here. You see this one right here? We had that same one right off support right here. And I remember that was awesome, right? Super bullish candle. But what did we do? We ended up just dumping back down to the downside, okay? Right back down to support. And the issue is now we got this big daily wick right here, okay? So is this going to retrace and come back down and take this wick before then trying to really attack that resistance? That's the question that we got right now, guys, all right? But if we want to start looking for upside, let's crack this resistance point, all right? If we went straight up today, it would put us right somewhere around 19,750, okay? If we can break 19,750, what do you guys say in the chat? Black & Decker tools? No, not tools. You know what I'm talking about. You guys know what I'm talking about, man. Jordan's a smoker confirmed? No, I'm not, bro. I don't smoke shit. I don't smoke shit. Peeping this shiznat with a caution eye. Hey, we all got to do it, man. But we got to break this. We went straight up today. That's 19,750 is the level we're watching if Bitcoin was to just pump up to the moon right now, okay? That's the point where if we were just sitting here and going,
strap up, we're going to the moon.
Wait, where's my speaker? Oh, there it is. Hey, speaker. I was like, why does that sound so soft? I forgot the speaker was on the floor, along with the whole setup when the desk come crashing down. It was nuts, man. Holy moly. I still can't believe that happened today. I wish that didn't happen to me. I wish that happened to someone else who would be more funny, you know? Imagine George sitting at his desk and his whole setup falling on him. Imagine he's just sitting there going, yeah, guys, I'm very, very bullish right now. Bitcoin is gonna go up. Oh, honey, help! Help, I'm streaming it. The desk is falling. Honey, the desk gonna go down. I can't look at the chat. I can't scroll up. It's gonna go down on me. No, I don't want you to go down on me. You haven't done that in forever. I'm talking about the desk. Oh, man. It's all good. Everything's gonna go down. All right. But yeah, that's the deal. Another good, I guess, something that is positive here. Obviously, guys, what's been the move? When Bitcoin's at support, you buy or you go long. It happened again. I remember just the other day, everyone was sitting here going, all right, we're going back to support. We're moseying our way back to support. And we said, okay, we can be bearish all we want. But if Bitcoin's at support, don't get too bearish and always wait for the daily close, okay? Always wait for the daily freaking close, man.
Rant alert.
Oh, my Lord. Okay? And what does Bitcoin do today? It comes right back down to support. Guess what? It bounces again. Like clockwork. Play the support until it doesn't break. I sound like a broken record. Play the support until it doesn't break. I didn't trade today. I did buy some near, but I didn't trade today. Why? Because I told you guys I wasn't trading the CPI, right? I wasn't doing that. And I saw a lot of you guys longed at the bottom, and that was freaking awesome in the Discord, man. I'm super happy that everyone made a lot of gains today. It was, once again, another play of playing the support level. All we heard all week, oh, if it goes back down there, it's going to break it. That support is a Pringle, bro. It's a Pringle, bro. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes into the daily close, by the way. 2 minutes until the daily close. Let's freaking get busy in the chat. No, but in all seriousness, man, you also got the daily stocks that are about to flip back up. Just like when the daily stocks are on the upside and we see those cross, that hasn't been a good for Bitcoin. Now it's at the bottom. Nice reset on that. Now, it's gonna get the cross. If we close where we're at right now, that's going to confirm that daily stock RSI cross, which I think is a good sign and what you want to see at support. When you're at support and you see that at the same time, it's a good sign. Along with getting a dump and just a wick right back to the upside, it's a good sign. Now, like we said, stress caution on the shorter term time frames, right? We're sort of struggling with this resistance right here, all right? But the daily doesn't look too bad, right? So that's not too bad. So what next? What next is we wait to see if Bitcoin can break this 19.6 level, because that is the cookie to crack at the moment, my man. That's the cookie to crack. Really 19.6 up to 19.6 to 19.8 is sort of the annoying level that we have to watch right now. There's a lot of moving averages, support, previous support, resistance coming in right there. Pretty much everything in between. Pretty much everything in between, man. Rafi said it got stopped out. Man, I mean, it is what it is. That's what happens, man. That's what happens. QNT gonna go up? Let me see. Black and mild, man. That's what it was. I smoked the Black and Milds back in the day, like the poor college student that I was back in the day. I still have an IKEA desk, so it is what it is. We got an IKEA desk over here. Why? Because minimalists don't care about the desk, okay? They care about what they do on the desk, okay? And we do many things on this desk. Oh, Lord, I love it. All right, it's the daily close, guys. So we did close. It's so weird just hopping on that the daily close is happening right away. It's actually kind of nice. So, all right, we did confirm the daily stock RSI cross, and we did confirm that nice daily candle back to the upside. It was beautiful. Right? That was a beautiful daily candle. Now we have to work on breaking this resistance. Stress caution. You're at resistance. Don't get too moon boyish at resistance. If we break it, okay, let's party like the USA, man. But for now, don't be doing this. All right? For now, don't be doing that. But I'll tell you right now, I want to smash this resistance like Hulk. Come on, resistance. What do you got? You got nothing on me, bitch. You got nothing on me, bitch. I will bicep curl the shit out of that resistance right now, okay? Put it right in between this arm. Right in between my forearm and my bicep. I will squeeze that shit down to friggin' zero, man. Let's friggin' go. Strap up. We're going to the friggin' moon, man. I will body that resistance right now. I will body that shit. Body it. The guy's nipples are so big, man. You think this guy's on steroids? Look at this friggin' nipple. Looks like 2 Tic Tacs sticking out. Like, oh my Lord, man. Jeez, bro. Holy moly. Guys, I mean, it was a fantastic day so far, all right? Now, look at the weekly candle right now, okay? Now, always, just like we say, wait for the daily close, let's wait for the weekly close on the S&P tomorrow, all right? Because all this stuff is fine and dandy. But if the S&P dumps again tomorrow, or comes back down tomorrow, this doesn't mean shit. But as we stand right now, what do we want to see on the S&P that we've been hyping up, man? We want to see the 200-week MA hold. And so far, for 3 weeks, it has. Okay? Now, once again, we got one more day to come up tomorrow. But if the S&P can close green, that's going to get a nice bullish candle, man, with a giant wick on the downside, just getting bought right back up as everyone capitulates below the 200-week MA. So far, it's good. We got till tomorrow to wait, but so far, man, this is looking juicy so far. Let's just hope that we don't dump going into tomorrow, because that would ruin everything for us. That would ruin everything here. So as long as we're green, still looking good, holding that 200-week moving average, getting that nice bullish hammer candle on the weekly time frame, and the daily. If you look at the daily time frame here, look at that daily candle, man. That's a nice daily candle, man. pretty much engulfing the last 3 days of red. Just a massive bullish engulfing candle on the S&P on the daily, engulfing the last 3 days of red. Obviously, let's see where that ends up. You get a giant vector candle now, so it doesn't come back to this range at some point, probably. But at least right now, it's a good bounce, right? It's a good bounce as we speak. But we still got tomorrow to watch. What's going on, Dan? YouTube keeps effing up your shit? Tell YouTube to F off, man. Tell them to get out of here and F off. That's all I know. That's all I got to say. FOMO is the real horror show. That's facts, man. Is this the start of the bull market? Bro, no one has any idea. The issue with calling any type of bottom is you don't know until years later that it's the bottom, right? You don't know. You have no idea. Even if Bitcoin went to 30K right now, 35K, 40K, you still wouldn't even know the bottom is in. You wouldn't know for sure, right? So time will tell us if it does. And that's why you got to have patience in this market, man, because you're never going to know. You're not just going to buy the bottom and that's it. That's not how the market works. You're not just going to buy it and then, okay, I bought the bottom. Let's chill out now. No, you're always going to be thinking it's going to go lower, even when you do buy, right? That's how this market works. Let's go back to this. So now we wait again. Like we said, guys, we were getting a little bit of range resolution, but now we're right back in our descending triangle, man. So place your bets again. Place your bets. Put your chips on the table, my man. Put your chips on the freaking table. Which way are we going to break, man? We got horizontal support coming in, downward trend of resistance coming in. We are coming in hot to that apex. We thought we were going to get a range resolution today. We did get that range resolution. We actually got that initial dump. But now we find ourselves right back into the range all of a sudden. So place your bets. Is this going to break to the downside or the upside? Place your bets. Okay? Now, I'm not saying be a gambler. I'm not saying be a Bob and come out throwing freaking, I don't know, whatever he's got.
All right, yeah, I'll place my bets. My ego's bigger than a Cheez-It. All right? I'll place all my bets. Let me get all my money out of my bank account right now. Man, I love Vegas. I love placing bets. Let's see. I got like $200. Oh, cool. I can take that out in one scoop. All right, here we go. All right, placing my bets. We're going to go up. We're going to go up for sure. That's my bet. So you guys better be on my side. We're going to go up right now. All right? You guys going to be FOMOing in while I'm banking.
Down. We see upside, down, no side. Excuse me, man. AJB said, come to Ireland in 2025, my guy. That's so random. Ireland in 2025? Listen, I'll be down there, man. I will literally be down there. I'm always down to go places. Belly lint. Nice, Dan. That was probably the most random thing I've ever heard you say in the chat. Belly lint. That was pretty nice, man. That was pretty freaking nice. I love it. All right, what else we got, guys? What else we got? So, yeah, I mean, now we're back in the rain. It was a fun day today. It was a really fun day today, right? I mean, we all had a lot of fun, right? We had a dump, and then we came back up. It was a lot of fun for everyone, right? The Bears had their little fun. The Bulls had their little fun. But guess what? Now we find ourselves in the same position we were 5 days ago. Right in that boring range where we're all like, oh, shit, this friggin' sucks, man. Let's go check out Bitcoin in the short-term time frames right now. Let's see what we got. Can Bitcoin crack this resistance tonight, guys? Let's freaking get busy. I need all my Vikings in the chat right now. Let's freaking go, man. Vikings! Now, listen to me. I do not think we're going to win this war right now. But the least we can do is win this battle. So if you bought the lows today, or if you bought the lows any other day, I need you guys in the chat right now. Spam those swords. Spam those shields in the chat so we can break the short-term resistance and we can take profits in the bear market rallies. Spam the swords. Spam the shields now. Before it's too late, we will push these bears back. We will be the Trojan horse. Today was that Trojan horse. We sent the horse right into the bear's castle. And what did they do? They took the bait. They took that Trojan horse and took it as a prize. But what was inside? It was us with the swords and shields battling back. And now we are pushing them back to where they belong, which is in the hell. So boys, spam the swords, spam the shields. If you cannot find the emoji, simply type swords and shields in the chat. Let's friggin' go! Oh man, I miss the old times where we used to get hyped all the time with the Viking, man. It's so seldom that we get hyped with the Viking, you know. So even though I'm not getting too excited right now, we gotta have a little fun, you know. Look at all those swords and shields in the chat, man. I love it. I love it, man. I love it, man. I love the swords and shields. Oh, man. Swords and shields in the chat, he said. Love it, man. I love it. There's so much. Look at the enthusiasm today. There's more enthusiasm today than I've ever seen in the chat in the last 3 months. Look at this enthusiasm, bro. Jason said, what happened to your desk? Oh, bro, I was streaming, and the monitors all of a sudden started collapsing on me, right? And there was nothing I could do. There was nothing I could do. I was so helpless. I was like a deer in headlights. I was like Bob when he's looking at his meatloaf. There was nothing I could do, man. It was absolutely insane. All right, is Bitcoin going to do an M formation? Bitcoin better not do this little... let's see what it's doing, man. To be fair, let's see what it's doing here. What is Bitcoin trying to do here? Let's go like the 15-minute time frame, man. Let's get deep and dirty in here. What's Bitcoin trying to do right now? Is Bitcoin trying to dump here? It better not do the little Bart Simpson. It better not be playing any games right now. You never can rule out the Bart Simpson pattern, man. You know? So, you know what? Let's anti-jinx the Bart Simpson pattern. Let's actually put the smiley face here of the Bart Simpson like this. Let's make him yellow so that now we're going to jinx it. Now the Bart Simpson pattern is not going to happen. Because we put the smiley face on the chat. Now the market makers think, oh, they think that the Bart Simpson pattern is going to happen. So let's make it not happen. I don't know. That's my thought process here. I don't know. We'll see if it does, though. The Bart Simpson, it better not do it. But it goes away when I stop drinking. Wayne, what are you talking about, man? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, buddy? All right. So here we are. I'm not really going to talk about this today. I'm not going to talk about this today. We've talked about this enough. You guys know my take. Like, something's got to give here soon. Blah, 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 blah. We've been talking about that forever. You know, we've been talking about the same thing every day for the last 3 months. Let's give it a break for one day. Like, holy shit, man. Here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. Here's one chart that I'm paying attention to still. This is a little bit more on the bearish side. You know, I like to look at multiple scenarios and kind of play it out from there. But, you know, total market cap, like we said, it did break from this bear flag to the downside a couple days ago. And if you look at kind of what happened with the move today, it obviously total market cap came, wicked right to, you know, obviously support. It wicked right to that support. And you can see what happened today also is it wicked to support, but it also came back up and basically retested this is resistance, right? So here's the deal with total. If total it keeps finding resistance here, so it's not what we want to see. But if this can smash back up into this pattern, man, if it can smash back up into this pattern, well, let's see what happens. But I want everyone to stress, just stress caution in this range, all right? I know everyone wants to get pumped. You know, we're going to the moon. I want to, man. I want to. I want to put on that moon helmet so bad. It's been a year since we had the moon helmet on, man. Like, I can't even remember when we actually had the moon helmet on for an actual reason, not just to have it on. You know? I'm going nuts at this point. But stress caution, there's a lot of still points in the chart which could act as resistance to push us right back to the downside. All right? And the measure move target of this still is down here. To invalidate this, though, we got to get back up into this pattern, man. All right? I don't want to come down here. You know, but we can't always get what we want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. All right. What else do we have to look at, man? Because I know you guys like a lot of stuff that we look at here, you know? What else do we have to look at here today? I think is it the S&P? Is it on this chart? No. Where is it? Is it on this chart? Hold up, boys. Hold up, boys. So Euro USD. Euro USD, it was moving down again today. We want Euro USD to hold. So far, so good. Euro USD comes back down, tests the big macro, the big macro support from all time, and sits right there. And so far, so good. We came back down for a second retest. Will it continue to hold? We need this to hold. If this doesn't hold, the DXY is going to the moon, and we're all probably going to starve to death. You know?
Jordan, do you just say we're going to starve to death? Oh, my Lord, man. You're scaring me, man. Stop spreading FUD. Stop spreading FUD. George said not to watch anyone who spreads FUD. So I'm not watching you anymore. All right? You're spreading FUD. Say we're going to starve to death.
The big macro pattern. No. But we did come back and retest that today, and we did hold. So, once again, if this is going to be the low for the DXY, this is going to be the reason for it, in my opinion. It's just, we got to see if this holds, right? I'm not in a predicament to, like, say this is 100% going to hold. But this is where we want it to hold. Okay? For sure, man. we don't want this to break for Euro USD. Because if this breaks, DXY goes to the moon, man. Right? This is not going to be pretty if this breaks down here. So we'll continue to watch that, right? I know that's not pretty to look at, right? That's not something you want to look at, but you know, it's there. It's there. And I know a lot of you guys wanted to look at that stupid S&P fractal that we had before, which, you know, some of you guys were like, "Oh, that looks legit, Jordan." You know, is that going to play out, man? Where's that fractal we had? Is it gone? No way, man. Is the dick fractal oh, man, the dick trash is gone, man. Lord, that sucks. That freaking sucks, man. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's still just chilling like a villain. Chilling like a villain. Trying not to do the old little Bart Simpson pattern here, at least for the short term. I mean, overall, guys, there was a lot of good altcoin, like, just really, like, big dumps on altcoins and a lot of good opportunities. Like, ETH today. At one point, ETH today dumped down about 8.5%, came all the way back up, closed the candle red, but, you know, it was still a pretty good move back to the upside there for Ethereum. So, I mean, today, 1,180 ETH was on the table there. I mean, it was a bunch of different alts, right? That came down hot and heavy. I mean, you guys were watching too. I know you guys were watching too, right? I mean, you had stuff like AVAX coming back down and testing the absolute Pico lows. You had, did I just say Pico? Oh my God, I gotta slap myself in the face, man. Jordan, do not be saying Pico, bro. It's weird. We had Near come back down and make new lows. Near's the one I scooped up today. That was nice. Near made new lows, wicked back up. We'll see if it continues. Dot wicked back down, made new lows. That was a good opportunity. There was a million stuff that's good opportunities, right? Sol wicked down to the lows. What else did? Shib didn't quite come to lows, but Shib wicked down. You guys know everything came down, right? But there was a lot of good opportunities for stuff still at their lows. Now, let's watch BTC here as it approaches the 20 EMA on the 15-minute time frame. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get. Let's hope that we don't get this this thing, which is not really a smiley face. We should call it the upside down smiley face. Like we said, it's more like the Bart Simpson. We don't want to see this, boys. We don't want to see this. Let's see. Who you calling fool? Let me see you guys are saying. Ahmad, what's going on, man? Ahmad just became a gold member. What's going on, man? You became a gold member like Austin Powers. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Good to see you. Omar came in with the super chat earlier. And Stumbledore also did. He said, ETH dump, missed my limit order by $12. Frustrating. Guess I got to wait for the next CPI. Facts, Stumbledore. Facts, man. It's been the move, man. The CPIs have been the dump days. Unless we get, rate hikes that are higher. Which, I don't know. Does anyone think we're getting a 100 basis point rate hike in November? I don't see that happening. That would be nuts. That would be nuts. If that happened, good Lord, man. Good Lord. At least until then, maybe we get a pump and then and then the dump would just bring us back to the lows again, In the meantime, incoming Bart season. Don't be saying that, Jason. Don't be saying that, man. We don't want nothing to do with Bart season here. We want nothing to do with that. But if that's what the charts is giving us, that's what the charts is giving us. This is a big resistance, right? This is a big resistance right here. There's a lot of confluence, and I love confluence. I love confluence. There's a lot of confluence in this range, guys. And that's why the first thing I said, guys, is, all right, it's awesome that we got a pump, but we got to stress out this resistance point. This could be a point where Bitcoin gets smacked right back to the downside. Why? Because we moved up super fast. We have this 4-hour vector candle here, a giant wick on the bottom side here that we know probably at some point this is going to come back down and take this. We also have horizontal resistance. We have a downtrend resistance on the diagonals. There's a lot of shit coming on here. A lot of Scheisse. A lot of Scheisse. For all the Germans out there. But a lot of shit. Cool down, then pump again. Let's see. One print is not going to change anything according to Powell. It's very true. That is facts. That is facts. What else did I have here? Do I have anything else? Anything else here? Yeah, right now the market thinks there's a 65% chance we get a 75 basis point, which I think that's pretty much consensus. I think that's what most people are going to think. So I do believe we've known this for quite a long time now. I got to assume that the market has priced that in already because we've known that. The market's forward looking. We know this. If we already know something, the market's already going to have it, right? So will that have a huge effect? I don't think so. But, obviously, there's no way to really know. But that comes in on November 1st to the 2nd here in about 3 weeks. So that's the kind of that next event that we have to kind of hope for. Not hope for, but we kind of have to look out for. In the meantime, hey, man, I don't see... I'm still a little bit neutral here, but I don't see the reason why Bitcoin couldn't have a rally here. Right? I know everyone says, it's not possible Bitcoin can go up. It's not possible. Listen, I don't see the reason why it couldn't. I know you guys will say, economy. We got the CPI print today, which was bearish. And the market was still green. I don't see why. I don't see why not. In the weekly chart, all in all, let's see where we end up at the end of the week. But the weekly chart, all in all, still has bullish divergence. You're still at support. As long as you're at support, you're still going to stay confident in where Bitcoin is. So bullish div at support. And at the same point, if we can close the week a little bit higher than where we are now, which I don't think is terribly unrealistic, we'll see. Then we have a nice bullish hammer candle on the weekly time frame, which would be pretty nice for Bitcoin. So I don't see a reason why it couldn't go up. But listen, I'm not dumb. I also don't see the reason why it couldn't go down. All right? Because everything hinges on what the S&P 500 does at this 200-week moving average. Everything in their mother. Where is that? What the? Why am I talking like horse guy? What the? What the hell? Jordan, why are you talking like me? Ooh, Jordan. Why are you talking like me? Are you turning into me? Ooh, Jordan. Yeah, it's fun being a horse guy. Our emotions go super high. We FOMO the highs and we panic sell the lows. Jordan, welcome to the club. Who else wants to be horse guy too? Anyone in the chat? Anyone? Anyone? No one? Okay, well, you guys can suffer. I have fun being horse guy, okay? All of a sudden, just talking like horse guy, man. Oh, Lord. That's great. That's great. QNT will overtake Solana. Who said that? S&P seasonality always says mid-October dump. We'll find out. Clint, what's going on, man? They manipulated the MAs? They could have. I don't know where that went, man. It literally disappeared. It was on here earlier, no? Let's bring up the moving average. It's kind of annoying because it was already up, and now we have to manipulate it again. Boop. Boop. Just change it to the old 200. Boop. There we are, man. Sitting right on top of that where we know bounce 2016, bounce 2018. We broke low in 2020, capitulation. We can go over this. We've gone over this probably freaking 100 times at this point, right? You guys are like, Jordan, we know that 200-week moving average is important for the S&P. We know this, bro. But I want to keep making it and stressing it that it is. Right now, the futures are coming down a little bit here. Let's check the futures out. Let's check the futures out here. Let's see what we got going on here. So S&P futures are coming down a little bit. It's probably why Bitcoin's kind of just chilling at the, not why, but a good reason why that Bitcoin could be chilling here. Asia, we obviously got the Asia market coming up. We know the Asians sometimes can come in here and karate chop the shit out of us. They can Jackie Chan us. So we need to chill and see what happens with that, obviously. Because sometimes, you can think you're fine and dandy. All of a sudden the nighttime rolls around and all of a sudden you start hearing Jackie Chan, right? So let's see what happens there. But no, the stock market futures are coming down a little bit. We'll see. It's the same thing on the stock market, right? You got this giant, right? Giant. Or three really giant vector candles back to the downside, which at some point you got to know that these are probably going to get taken, right? At some point. They're going to get taken at some point, So all in all, we wait, right? We wait. DXY going down a little bit. DXY is coming down a little bit. Yes. Oh, yes. But like we said, yeah, think about it. Literally yesterday on the stream, the futures were down. We woke up, futures were green. S&P dumped and then pumped. We literally did a 360 twice. So, I mean, does it really matter if the S&P is down now? No. Let's see where we are before the market opened tomorrow. That's really the big deal we got going on. Bitcoin's trying to come back up. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Come on, BTC. Do it to him, boy. Come on, man. I just want to pump on stream. I don't remember the last time we had a pump on stream. Do you guys remember the last time we had a pump on stream? I have no idea. No idea. Oh, don't start with the... You guys are crazy, man. Don't start with that stuff. All right? You freaking Gen Zers. Don't start with that stuff. All right? I don't have the meme. Oh, do we have the meme? Yes. Don't start with this. Don't be one of these guys. Why no one should be using thumbs up emoji in 2023. We looked at this morning, but if you didn't see it this morning, how ridiculous is this? Gen Zers say they feel attacked whenever they see a passive-aggressive thumbs up emoji. Like, dude. Everyone put a thumbs up in the chat, man. Everyone put a thumbs up in the chat. And let's absolutely offend the shit out of the Gen Zers right now. Because I know there's Gen Zers watching. Let's offend them right now. Put the thumbs up in the chat, man. I want to offend them. Why? Because everything's offensive nowadays. Everything's offensive, man. Oh, my Lord. Thank you. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh, Lord. Thumbs up, man. Give it to me. Let's just get a wave of thumbs up in the chat. Why not? On this beautiful, beautiful day, man. Or you can do this. Boop. Oh, Lord. Lord. I hate being the generation that's next to the Gen Zers, man. It's kind of embarrassing, I wish there was one generation separating me and the Gen Zers. Unfortunately, there's not. So, yeah. It is what it is. I'm stuck being a millennial. You know what I mean? Yeah. Now we wait. Let's see what the S&P is doing. S&P still coming down a little bit. Let's see the DXY. DXY is chilling like a villain right now. Chilling like a villain right at that 200 EMA. Is that terribly important? It's actually been pretty good support resistance in the past, actually, to be fair. But no, not right now. Come on, BT Sizzle. Don't be going sideways just to do a Bart, bro. No one wants to see the Bart Simpson, man. Unless someone's in a short, which I understand. If you shorted this level right here, I kind of get why you did. I get why you did. I totally get it. 2023 is the year of the Bulls. I hope so. You guys ever see that guy David Hunter? That guy David Hunter, man. Hold on. Let me find David Hunter, man. You guys ever watch David Hunter or any of his interviews? That guy is sold we're going to the moon, man. That guy David Hunter will sit here and go, yes, guys, I know everyone's bearish right now, but I do believe that the S&P 500 is going to see 6,000 probably within the next 6 months. Okay, there's a reason why they call me Dave the Contrarian. Okay, the S&P 500 will see 6,000 in the next in the next 6 months, and I do believe that we can see. In that case, Bitcoin probably go up to like the 50K range within the next 6 months. Okay, I definitely see that happening. Right, S&P 500 to 6,000, Bitcoin to 50K in the next 6 months. Everyone's bearish right now, and I remain with my bullish stance. Where Bitcoin's going to see 50,000 in the next 6 months. All right. You guys ever see David Hunter? That guy's constantly doing that. Did you say you're Clint, take it easy, Clint. Keep it easy, Clint. Clinty. But what the? He said put it back in the ground. What is it, a potato? Hot potato. Here we go. Come on, BT Sizzle. Give me something. Give me something to work with here, man. We had volatility all day. The morning volatility was nice. It was nice that we were live and we caught that massive dump. But we didn't catch the massive pump today, unfortunately. So it looks like on the 15-minute, we got a little support resistance game going on right now. Which one will break? Looks like we're getting a nice big yellow vector candle coming in here. Does it have enough juice to break the resistance, though? We got 1 minute into the close, so let's see what we got. This is the 15-minute chart, so let's watch. We're chilling right at the resistance point. Let's see what we got. Oh, Lord. I'm done, and I thought I'd get a good night's sleep tonight. Drunk Bear, you ain't getting no sleep when you're watching this stream, man. If you think you're going to sleep with this stream on, bro, I'm just going to sit here and do this to you all night. No, Jordan, I'm not going to war. I'm not going. That's like I always say, send Bob. He's useless. At least I make money for this family right now, okay? I make money for this family. You bulls aren't doing shit, okay? I'm not going to war. I pay all the bills around here, all right? So send Bob. He's useless. Literally useless.
What are you trying to say? I'm not useless. I'm not going either. I'm not going. All right? I'm neutral right now. I'm not bullish. I'm neutral. I'm friggin' neutral, man. Oh, I'm not going either. And yes, I do have a use. Okay? I can cook really good meatloaf. All right? So I can do something. I'm not going, bro.
Oh, Lord. Oh, God, man. They both don't want to go. So, Bulls, unfortunately, we're by ourselves, man. We're by ourselves to fight this. You know, it's me and you guys. That's all we got down here, man. The whole family doesn't want to go. Oh, wait, Horse Guy wants to go. Ooh, I want to go. Can I come? I like being a bull. But can I just hide in the back? I don't want to actually fight. Can I just hide in the back? I don't mind being a bull. Jordan, I want to come. You can ride me. I am a horse. You can ride me. It sounds so wrong, bro. Oh, that sounds so wrong, man. That sounds so wrong, man. Holy guacamole, man. Speaking of guacamole, Maj, I need to eat your guacamole soon.
Yeah.
Your guac. Maj makes the best guacamole. It's so freaking good. Yeah. 1:30 a.m. and 8 a.m. is not good. Nice, man. Bacon in the microwave? That was weird. It was kind of weird. It was, a little bit. Holy moly, man. All right. Man, BTC, man. Yeah, we got a little pattern going on for BTC right now. Right at resistance. It's going to be, I don't know. Can they bring it up right now? You know? Can they bring it up right now? That's the major question. S&P still chilling. Any alts doing anything right now? Let's see. Any alts coming up? Doing anything? Let's see. I know SHIB had like a random pump today where like SHIB was up like 8% at one point today. Doing it's doing the Shibernaichi things. SHIB always does that stuff, man. Like Lord, bro. Oh, man. What should Jordan eat for dinner tonight, guys? I need your opinion. What should Jordan eat for dinner? Okay. So far today, what did I eat? Well, you guys probably like, Jordan, what'd you eat today? Here's what I ate, guys. You want to know exactly what I ate? Here's what I ate. Okay. For breakfast, I had Cheerios. Cheerios with 2% milk, in case you wanted to know. Right? That was my pre-gym carb sesh. Okay, I need some carbs in me. Cheerios are actually really good. I used to shit on plain Cheerios, but they're actually really good. No, take it from me. I actually like plain Cheerios, man. Second meal of the day. Okay, we had some pasta with some eggs. I make this good dish. It's really freaking good, man. All right. Now, and then I had a peanut butter sandwich before the stream. Now I need something girthy, man. Now I need something girthy. So, and that also sounds really, really sus too. Man, Jordan was saying the sus shit today, man. Holy moly. Jordan, like, what are you even saying, man? Wow, the bra's not working. The bra is not working, man. Holy moly, bro.
Bruh.
There we go. There's the bra. Jordan going to the downside. Just like my computer monitors right now. Holy moly. Holy moly, what a day. What a day, man. We got pumps, we got dumps, we got another dump on this. Hopefully we can get another pump for Bitcoin. We've had 2 dumps today. Only 1 pump. You know? Look at BTC. Look at BTC. Look at BTC. I love getting pumped when nothing happens, you know? That's my favorite thing to do, is to get everyone to look at the screen. All right, here goes BTC. 19,450. Can we get that move up right now, or is this going to get shit on back to the downside? Let's see. Can we get some price action on stream, boys? I would love to get some price action on stream right now. Here we go. Come on right now, man. Give me that green pickle. Give me that fat green pickle, and do not be a fake out. Just like you saw in the... if you didn't watch the Cam Fam trading group video, you guys got to go watch that. You guys got to go watch that, man. It's absolutely hilarious. This actually kind of reminds me of that, where it's like, trade the breakout, bro, and it comes up, and then it just comes right back to the downside. It's classic. It's classic, man. Literally classic. Do you know how many people? You know how many people like Cheerios? I fell for it. Bro, I actually like plain Cheerios. I think plain Cheerios are really good, man. I do. I really like plain Cheerios, man. I used to hate on them, but I actually really do like them now, guys. I do. They're actually delicious. They're magically delicious, as they say with Twix, you know. BTC is being a little pooper snooper right now. A little pooper snooper. Can we get the juice, man? You know what we need? Here, guys, I'm gonna put the pickle on my head, and as soon as I put the pickle on my head, that's when we'll break out. All right? That's when we'll break out here. You know, listen, we can talk indicators and stuff. I don't think that stuff is terribly, to me, I don't think that stuff is terribly relevant right now. You guys know my take. I think we're just kind of waiting for that range resolution, like we've been saying consistently. So let's have fun with the short-term price action while we're here, you know? Let's freaking do it. You know what's going to make this go up? This. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready for the pump, guys. Here it comes. Here it comes. Ready? You ready for this? It's going to dump. Watch. Here we go. Let's do another countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Get ready for it, man. It's coming right now. Rice Krispies are good. The best cereal, in my opinion, is Captain Crunch Berries. Captain Crunch Berries are by far, in my opinion, the best cereal, bro. You know, like not even close. To me, it's Captain Crunch Berries. It's Fruity Pebbles. No. Back up. It's Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Crunch Berries. Fruit Loops. Okay. No, not Fruit Loops. Fruity Pebbles. Shit, man. What else is good? Frosted Mini Wheats. I would bang out some Frosted Mini Wheats right now. Like, I would seriously bang out some Frosted Mini Wheats all day. But Cinnamon Toast Crunch is number uno. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, number one. Number one, bro. Number one. All right, guys, the pickle's not working. Let's say the pickle didn't work. I thought it might work. It didn't work today. Let's see what we got. Fruity Pebbles. I have to disagree on the Fruity Pebbles, man. I have to disagree overall, you know? All right. You guys are probably like, Jordan, let's talk some charts. Jordan, let's talk some charts, man. We're talking about cereal. Would you guys rather talk about cereal or charts right now? Cereal or charts? Put it in the chat. Cereal or charts? Actually, I want to see where the sentiment is. What should we discuss? Should we discuss cereal or should we discuss charts? Okay, cereal or charts? That's the deciding factor. Listen, I'm looking at this range from a very simplistic point of view. Okay, very simplistic. I'm not gonna make this super complex. We're at support. This bullish div. That's it. All right. Until it breaks, we continue to just long support. All right, and take profits on the rallies. That's been the move for the last 3 months. That's all the move has really been for the last 3 months. There's nothing else to really do, you know, until we break from this stupid triangle, which when we do, based off history, has been a pretty good move. You know, it's just a matter of it happening. It's just a matter of it happening. Now, we can look at some indicators. You know, if you want to be an indicator trader, which a lot of people are, okay? Let's bring up our indicators here, okay? Let's look at momentum waves. What do we got on the weekly? Actually, already on the top side here. Is there anything on some of these shorter term time frames? Let me see. Let's see the 3-day. Already up. The 5-day. Ooh, look at the 5-day, man. Listen, for all you guys who like Market Cipher, I know a lot of you guys like Market Cipher. You can literally get Market Cipher for free. I didn't tell you that, though. Momentum wave's about to flip back up to the upside. All right? So if this does come up and cross here, it's going to be the green dot on Market Cipher. And that'll be a good sign on the 5-day. The 5-day actually looks pretty nice. I like this, like, just this round out formation with momentum coming up. Right? It's actually pretty nice, man. It's pretty nice. So we'll see what happens there. But yeah, the 5-day actually looks pretty good. Now, and I'm not really sure where the stocks are on the 5-day. Let me see. Let me bring up the stocks. I like the stocks with the momentum waves here. Let me see. Yeah, this actually did get the cross to the upside too. I like this, man. I don't hate where Bitcoin is right now, you know? As far as like a chart standpoint, it seems like there's a lot of buyer. Like whenever Bitcoin gets pushed down here, it seems like there's a lot of buyers down here. Obviously, At some point that runs out. There's also seems like there's a lot of sellers that's selling when it does move up. But for here, you know, the one issue I have with the charts is like the sellers are just pushing the bears down. Or sorry, the bears are just pushing the bulls down, while the bulls are kind of, you know, gasping for air every time it comes down here, you know. But there are buyers down here, at least for now, right? It's just a matter of how long can this range hold. This looks like a piece of bread. It makes me hungry. I don't know why. Doesn't this look like a piece of bread? I'm so weird when it comes to this. But how long will this support hold as this sort of, you know, supply line comes down? You know, it's a big question that we'll have. You know, but I like the support that we have. It's obviously support until it's not, but once again, it's support until it's not. You could play it either way. If you're a bear, you could say, well, it's support until it's not. And you could be a bull and say, well, yeah, it's support until it's not, right? It's whatever way you want to spin it, you know? But yeah, I think right now it's easy to just look at this market in a simplistic point of view. It's just, you know, you're just waiting for the freaking either resistance to break or support to break, and you're kind of just in sort of a limbo right now, you know? Clint just likes the pink unicorn. Clint, I heard that you bought Uniswap today, man. Uni's a good buy, bro. I like Uni. I need to stack some more Uni because Uni throughout this consolidation period was one of the best performers. Like, look, Uni in this consolidation period did almost, actually, yeah, it did a freaking 3x in this freaking consolidation period. It's nuts. When Bitcoin went up like 20% and Uni did a 3x. It's nuts, man. It shows the strength of this project at the moment. And even right now, like it was a super bearish day, but Uni just popped up like a freaking mongoose back to the upside. That was nice, man. We scooped up some Uni down here. That's nice. And actually, this pattern that slowly has been forming. It's been sort of a long freaking pattern. You know, at least for the short-term move, looks pretty good, right? You got the left shoulder, you got the head, you got the right shoulder. Obviously, yeah, it's a little bit of a meme. You know, inverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, cup and handle, all the meme patterns. But if you find that useful, it is there. You're just waiting for that right shoulder to form. And all of a sudden, bam, there you go. You got the dip to inverse head and shoulders. It is a reversal pattern. And it's not looking too shabby, you know? This is one that we've had patience with, though, in this freaking range, man. A lot of patience on these longer-term charts for a lot of different alts, you know? Let's see. Uni rocks. Bears love when bulls get frugal. True. I did now. I just need the white paper that the bathwater sent earlier in Discord, so I know what the hell it does. You just bought Uni for no shit, for no reason. Hey, listen, man. What's crypto? Crypto is hype. People like animals, too. Animal coins seem to do really well. So, there you go, Clint. Team Uniswap. We're all in on Uniswap, man. You know? Let's see. See what you guys are saying in the chat. Break the bread? We don't want to break the bread, man. We don't want to break the bread. All right, so on the 15-minute chart, you know, obviously we got this little move up. We created this yellow vector. It looks like it came back down. Took about half that yellow vector. Are we going to see this come back down to the lows? I'm hoping it doesn't. I'm hoping this was just a reclaim of this vector. And then it only takes half and then it breaks out. But obviously you got to respect, just like support, you got to respect resistance until it breaks. It's like the golden rule. So respect the support until it breaks, respect resistance until it breaks. And you're at this cookie, this big cookie monster on the chart right now. Where's Becker? Oh, Becker was here earlier, man. Becker was chilling like a villain earlier in the chat. Right now, I don't know what he's doing. What is Becker doing right now? Oh, yeah. Miss Clint. Miss Clint, yeah. Oh, Becker, man. Clint bought ETH at 2K. What a freaking idiot. I sold ETH at 2K. Yeah, I sold ETH at 2K. Clint bought. That's why you're here with me, baby. Oh, Lord. Oh, man. I love messing with Clint. Clint is the best person to mess with, man. He is. All right, guys. It's 8:47, and it's probably a good way to sort of actually, let's give it a sec. Let's give it a sec. Let me see. What should we discuss? Cereal, 52%. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it, dude. Rude, it's Miss Cook. Oh, Lord. All right, 19,415. What do we got? I think that's pretty much... It looks like stock futures are coming back up now. I mean, it's going to go up. It's going to go down. We really care what it's going to be by tomorrow morning. We don't really care what it's going to be right now, but that's coming up a little bit. DXY is coming down a little bit, and Bitcoin is coming up a little bit. So it makes sense. I guess it makes sense all across the board here as we kind of look around the markets and everything in between. It all kind of makes sense. It's all going according to plan. All right, BTC. Come on, BTC. You know you want to do it, man. You know you want to do it. You know it. You got enough room on this 15-minute RSI to make a move, man. You got a nice little reset on that bad boy. Now, get that move up, man. You got enough room. Don't be playing around here. Don't be playing around. Do I got to poke you with a stick? Do I got to do something to you? Does Jimmy have to come poke you with the plunger, man? Strap up. Come on, Bitcoin. I'm going to poke the shit out of this thing with my plunger. Maybe that'll work, you know? My stimmies haven't really worked to move the market. You know, I thought $500 is, you know, I thought $500 would move the market, but it didn't, you know? It didn't. So strap up, guys. I'm going to poke it with my plunger. It's going to go up, okay? Oh, Lord. Lord. Booberry? It's the Booberry. Man. What can you say something about Elon Mars? Elon Mars? Hell no, bro. When Jimmy emoji. Give it the old stimmy stick. BTC. Is all right. We know how this is going to work, guys. We know exactly how this is going to work for us tonight. How is this going to work? Okay? And yes, I do believe that the desk is a horrible sign. When the desk breaks, that is a horrible sign for crypto. Okay? But this time's different. I love that this time is different. But this time is different, my friends. Okay? This time, when the desk breaks and Jordan goes on a 30-minute vacation to fix his desk, we will not dump. I have no idea. But we know how this works. This is not going to Dogecoin Mars. What the hell are you talking about, man? Give us a Lark Davis? No, man, because I don't. If I start making jokes about Lark Davis, you know how this shit works in this space. People are very, very sensitive. So we're not going to make any Lark Davis jokes. You know how this is, man. You know how this is, because you know me. If I'm gonna make a joke about Lark Davis, I'm gonna go deep, and I'm not gonna go there because you know how the space works, man. You know how the space works. Back to the zone. We're right back. All we really did today, like if you look at it, all we really did was dump, pump, and we're just right back where we were 2 days ago. We were like, man, this shit sucks. This range sucks. And we're excited today because we dumped and pumped. But in reality, where are we? We really didn't go anywhere. That's kind of the sad reality of the situation at the moment. We really didn't go anywhere. We just came back to where we were meant to be all along, which was At 19K. It's one of those funny memes where it was like 3 days ago, 19K, everyone depressed. Three days now, 19K, everyone partying. You know? It's literally that meme right now. It's literally that meme. Like, it's basically this. 3 days ago, when we were at 19K, this was everyone. It's not working. Hold on. It's not working, man. Hold on. Get this. Oh, dude, what the hell? Hold up, man. Dulark? That fairy? Someone call him a fairy. That was so random, man. You just call him a fairy, bro. Come on, Lark's not a fairy. Lark is not a fairy, man. Okay? Don't be calling him that. That's not very nice. That's not very nice, man. Okay? Don't be calling people fairies. Keep it strictly crypto, okay? We don't call people fairies here. Keep it crypto. If you're gonna troll, keep it crypto. Say you're a bad trader, or you don't know what you're talking about, or your last call was horrible, or something like that, or your fractals suck, or I don't know, what kind of analysis is this? Keep it like that, or you're stealing charts. That's always my favorite. You guys get me with that one. Every time you guys get me with that one. I don't know what it is about that one. You know why? Because that one is like always said. Like always said. I love the stealing chart stuff. It's like, dude, if a chart's showing something, okay, it's not stealing a chart. Like if a chart is doing this, if a chart is showing something, right? Like a symmetrical triangle, I don't know. If it's showing bullish divergence, are you gonna ignore it because someone else talked about it? Holy Lord, that's my favorite. Don't call it no fairies, man. No fairies. Look at Electrum in the chat. He said, "You kids are having a great time for now, and we are already down 6%. Haha, 0 is the end game." Nice, dude. Nice. Steel Rovers. I actually haven't watched Rover. In all seriousness, I don't think I've watched a Rover since last year. I don't think I've watched a Rover. I actually used to watch a Rover sometimes. I mean, dude, there was a time where I was watching crypto shit all the time. I haven't watched Rover since 2021 at the very, very earliest. Probably longer than that, to be honest. I'm not going to repeat what you guys say in the chat. I'm not. That's too much. That's too much, man. All right, guys. I'm going to call it a stream. I think Bitcoin's just going to muddle its way in here. I was hoping we get either a break up or break down here on stream, but it looks like Bitcoin's going to muddle around like it usually does until I press that end stream button, and then it's going to do something, okay? And then it's going to do something. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, all right? We'll be here bright and early tomorrow. Let's see where... It's a big day for the stock markets, man. It's a big day for the stock markets. We got the weekly close coming up on the stock markets tomorrow. As long as the S&P holds that 200-week moving average, all is good. I pretty much compare the S&P 200-week moving average to Bitcoin's like 18K support. It's just as important. So let's watch this going into tomorrow, and we'll kind of discuss and see where Bitcoin ends up. Just be careful right here, right? We're getting excited for a move up. We're still at 19.4. We still have big resistance above us. So stay grounded. Don't get too excited, right? I think right now is an interesting point, and I think right now is a point where we've gotten some rejections in the past looking left, right? So be careful. Be careful in this range if you're FOMOing. Okay? We don't like FOMO in here. We like buying the wicks. We don't like the FOMOs. All right? Later, guys. Don't do anything you want to do. Don't panic, say crypto. Most of all, don't panic, sell your crypto. And make sure you don't break your desk like me. Because if you break your desk like me, you're not going to be able to look at the charts. All right? So do not break your desk, boys. Until tomorrow, bro. Peace out.